el opening de Max.
Que usted empiece.
Hablar sobre nosotros.
Sí.
Okay. Bueno, sí lo entiendo.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Qué tal? Como se dice, muchas gracias por estar y como se dice, estamos felices en como se dice, poder estar digamos, con la película en competencia, con el festival que la haya tenido en cuenta. Así que estamos para cualquier pregunta o cualquier...
Hi, thank you so much. We are welcome you back again to be joining us to do a small brief about the movie. We are really glad that we are here during the competition for the Golden Peacock, and we're really excited and we're really looking forward.
Well, hi, I'm Lena Fernandez. I'm from Argentina too, but we are living in Paraguay. This is my first movie as a producer, so I'm very happy to be here. This is like a dream, make real. And well, we are here to listen. If you have any question, we are glad to answer you.
Yeah, please.
My first question is to Lena Fernandez.
Okay.
You're also the executive producer for the film,
Yes.
besides being one of the co-producers of the film.
Yes.
Was this film mainly your idea or your concept, or was it somebody else's idea that you helped to produce?
Yes. In fact, it was the main idea was from Simon, and we are like the production house. So I manage mostly the legal part and administrative part, and the most artistic part was in the hand of Simon, which is my husband too. So he's the creative mind behind all of this movie.
My name is Siraj Sayyed. I'm India correspondent for filmfestivals.com, which is a Paris-based website. The next question is to Simon. Simon has experimented a lot in this film as a director. He has played with time, back and forth, characters, distances, spaces, all the various grammar of filmmaking he has used. Sometimes it gets a little bit difficult to follow. Because of the various levels at which it works. So what was the initial storyline? Did you first work out a storyline and then do the screenplay? Or did the whole film come to you in one sequence?
Vengo y voy con el...
Que hay como muchos temas que van y vienen del pasado al presente, como muchos niveles de interpretación que a veces es confuso seguir. Entonces, si vos como que tuviste un storyline inicial y después escribiste el guión y terminó siendo otra cosa, o si vino toda la película vos de una pieza, ya. Sé que hubo varios.
Sí.
No, digamos, en realidad es como que la historia... cuando la pensé en la cabeza, tiene como un ir y venir, digamos, en el presente y en el pasado, porque es un juego en lo que ella es, en lo que ella fue en el pasado y lo que es en el presente. Es como que la película es un balance de eso.
Yeah, and it was a kind of a playing back and forward to make this film. And the main thing was to get the essence, about the movie with this actress.
Entonces, cuando la pensé, digamos, cuando la escribí, es como que la escribí un poco linealmente.
When I start writing those scripts, I just try to be following the line, but after,
Pero después cuando la estaba montando, cuando la estaba editando, sí quise poner digamos, antes y el después para que se refleje también lo que ella era antes y lo que ella estaba buscando.
after when I do my edition, I was editing the movie, that I realized that it goes to the present and the past. So I was just thinking will be a option to do that. And
Y digamos, puede ser que digamos, que la película sea un poco confusa, pero estaba tratando también que, digamos, en el comercial, cuando está la parte de que ella es antes y después, que ella se ve un poco más joven con el retoque digital.
one of the highlights was when she was doing the advertisement. You see the back and forward about her face, and then she realized
Sea como que el quiebre de que uno entienda de que ese es el espejo, cuando ella se ve el espejo y cuando ella dice,
Esa no soy yo.
digamos, esa no soy yo.
that time that she realized when she saw the back and before on the mirror, and it said, "What's?"
Who
Esa-
am I?
She was out of their mind, you know, like it was what she realized. What is the age now? What he was have done before, that she's that now the present for her.
Y ese es como, digamos, como el punto principal de la película, de, como se dice, ella viéndose de que, de que realmente ya, digamos, ya no es, digamos, lo que era antes. Es como que jugar siempre entre lo que es el presente y el pasado.
We used to play around who was the present and the past in the full movie, so that was the main part.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gracias. Anyone else, please? Pass you the mic.
How has been your participation in the IFI?
¿Cómo está su
How-
participación aquí en el EFI?
It's been great. We are so glad to be here, and we're getting a lot of fun. Today was the projection of the movie was full of people. We met some people who came to ask some questions. Were really great. We are having a great time here, enjoying.
Hello, my question is to Simon. And the movie is about a yesteryear star who is chasing the director to grab the role she believes belonged to her. And as you said earlier, a superstar of Spanish cinema, Angela Molina is playing the role. So when you started thinking about the movie, was she one first came to your thought like, yeah, she's going to play the role?
Sí, ella fue, cuando usted escribió la película, que la primera persona que vino a su mente fue Ángela Molina, o pensó en alguien más.
No, cuando yo la estaba escribiendo la película, siempre cuando escribo, siempre me gusta estar pensando, digamos, en quién la puede interpretar. No era Ángela Molina, sino era, como se dice, Geraldine Chaplin. Yo me encontré con ella, estuve trabajando, pero digamos, en los meses previos, digamos, Geraldine Chaplin tuvo un problema personal que no la pudo interpretar, y ahí nos concentramos y fuimos con Ángela Molina. Y que, digamos, realmente fue un gran acierto. Geraldine Chaplin era la...
Geraldine Chaplin was the first actor that I chose before, but because for personal reasons she couldn't make the movie, so that they chose Angela Molina to be the actress, and it was really a certain nice surprise and a good job that she had made in the film.
The movie deals with the past and the present, yet it is a journey, her journey towards that director. Can we say it a kind of road movie?
Podemos decir que es una
Sí,
road movie.
sí, una pregunta.
Sí, digamos, para mí, digamos, no es una clásica road movie. Para mí puede ser como una road movie interior, puede ser.
De personal de usted.
Sí.
It's not a classical road movie, it's just a personal road movie for me.
Another question is her companion, who is played by Ignacio Huang, who is Taiwanese. So why a complete person from complete different ethnicity in this movie? Is there a particular reason for that, for choosing?
Porque escogió usted a la persona taiwanesa para hacer ese rol. Sí, sí, sí.
In Paraguay, we have a big community, and Paraguay is one of the countries who recognize Taiwan as a nation. So that's meaningful for us. And además,
And then,
what?
sí.
Además, como digo,
Besides, sí.
And besides, we are looking for an international look. So we think those kind of things make an improvement in the cast, in the total cast.
Thank you.
Unless there's anyone else. Two questions. One about the use of the walkie-talkie when the star communicates with Lee. She uses the walkie-talkie even when they are sitting next to each other. What is the symbolism or what is the significance of this? And the second question, which both of you can answer, is this your personal journey back from Paraguay to Argentina also?
Digamos, con el uso del walkie-talkie es como que es una película donde no hay nada digital.
Con el uso del walkie-talkie no tenía nada de como ahorita sorry. There is nothing sorry about that. There is nothing, with the social media that you can get on it. So there was the main communication for them. You see, they was isolated in the movie. So that was the main communication for them. No cell phones, nothing. So it was like kind of, even they was close to each other. So that was the communication between them.
Y tiene los toques de que, digamos, unos toques absurdos de la película.
It was kind of a fun, absurd, yeah.
Yes.
Y
somos países tan hermanos y son rutas tan conocidas para nosotros que es como que las hice varias veces, este viaje, que está en la película.
There is a usual road for me to come forward, so that we choose those roads to make the film on it. Forma personal. La película, en eso se basó, en lo que la segunda pregunta.
I really didn't think about that, but I will think about it. Thank you.
You're referring to my question whether this was a journey in your own life from Paraguay back to Argentina.
I didn't think about that, but I think I will because it's an interesting question.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias.
Any other questions? Otherwise, we close this press conference. So we conclude this session.